Hello children, in this video I am going to give a short idea about the chapter lines and angles. Before starting that concept, we want to study the basic concept of geometry. From where we want to study, which are the basic ideas of geometry, we want to study from point, line segment, ray, line, angle, etc. So children, how we can define a point? We are using point for locating the position. In a plane we are locating some positions, so we are using points. And all points are denoted by capital letters. Then which are planes? Planes is a surface where we are drawing. It may be a page, it may be a blackboard, it may be a wall, etc. And if we are joining two points, we will get a line segment or line segment made by 2 points. Then if one side of the line segment is endless, we will get a ray. That is, a ray has only one endpoint. So what about a line segment? How many endpoints? So 2 endpoints for a line segment. Then if both sides are endless, we will get a line. These all ideas we studied in previous classes. Then if we want to draw an angle, children, how we can make an angle? From 2 rays we can make an angle. That means 2 rays joining at a common point, we will get an angle. And we study different types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, and how they can measure. Last year we studied. Then we want to study about complementary angle and supplementary angle. What is complementary angle? Complementary angle means if the sum of 2 angles is 90 degree, that type of angles are called complementary angles. And if sum of 2 angles is 180 degree, that type of angles are called supplementary angles. Then next point is adjacent angles. If 2 angles have common vertex and common arm, we can say that 2 angles are adjacent angles. 2 angles have common vertex and a common arm. Then that types of angles are called adjacent angles. And another important is linear pair. From adjacent angles we can define linear pair. What is a linear pair? In an adjacent angles, non-common arms are opposite rays. In an adjacent angle, non-common arms are opposite rays. That types of angles are called linear pairs. After doing some examples, we can say that linear pairs are supplementary. That is, sum of 2 angles makes 180. Pair means there exist 2 angles. Then another important concept is vertically opposite angles. If 2 lines intersect at one point, we will get 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. And again, we can measure the angles and we can find that vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Then next important idea is parallel lines and transversal. How we can define a parallel line? Two lines are said to be parallel. They do not intersect each other. Then another topic is transversal. Transversal is a line segment which intersect two or more lines at different points. Transversal is a line or line segment which intersect two or more lines at a different point. And another topic in this chapter is angles made by the transversal. That is, a transversal intersect two parallel lines at a different points. We can see 8 angles are there, and we will study about the properties of each angles made by the transversal when it intersect pair of parallel lines. Then watch this video and read your textbook properly and make your concept thoroughly. Thank you.